Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix there was a problem with authenticating the ownership of this product on Rainbow Six Siege. Alright, let's begin. When you try to basically run the game on Steam and with Ubisoft Connect. So the first thing we need to do here, you need to go to your Ubisoft Connect account and you need to then go to Games. And make sure that you have the game that you want to open on Ubisoft Connect on the game section and on Steam as well. And if you don't have the game that you try to enter on Ubisoft Connect, it's probably not on your account. Maybe you use different accounts. So what you need to do here, you need to press on the profile icon that is on the top left corner. Then you need to log out and try to log in with another account. And as soon as you see the game on Ubisoft Connect here on the game sections and installed, and then you need to go back to Steam. And then you need to go to library, and then you need to look for the game. As I don't have this game, but I will show you the exact fix with another game. For example, this one, and then you need to just right click on it, go to properties, and then on installed files, and then you just need to verify integrity of the game files. It will take you a couple of minutes to reinstall the maybe corrupted files. And after that, you just need to play the game and the problem should be solved. So that's basically how you can fix. There was a problem with authenticating the ownership of this product on Rainbow Six Siege. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.